You know, we can be web developers with Microsoft technologies and use very simple tools. You could just use Notepad or a simple text editor. But of course, Microsoft in the web platform offers tools that can greatly aid you in your quest to make great websites. So for example, you can download right now Visual Studio 2010 Express at no charge. It's a free set of tools. You can get to this by downloading the web platform installer, and then through that installer, you can make many choices, and one of them is download Visual Studio 2010 Express. So this is an example of a free tool you can start with right now. So who would benefit the most, perhaps, from this? Perhaps you're a one-man, one-woman shop. You're a single developer. Perhaps you're trying to be thrifty and not spend a lot up front on tools, and you want to get started with your web app. So for the single developer, of course, you're targeting the web platform. So you're not downloading this tool expecting to make Windows forms or client-side technologies. You're downloading Visual Studio 2010 Express because you want to be in the web world. So you're creating websites, web applications. Now, you can also, and this is a screenshot, get Visual Studio 2010. In this example, it's 2010 Ultimate. So kind of going to the other extreme. So this one's going to come at a cost, but the exciting thing here is that you could use this tool for enterprise development. Maybe you work in a shop with many other developers. You need to be able to collaborate with them. And you might not just be doing web applications, you could be introducing other types of coding needs into your environment. Maybe you are doing rich client or middle tier, whatever the case might be. So this tool would be appropriate for that audience. Another tool that can be used for web developers is Microsoft's tool called Web Matrix. Web Matrix can be downloaded also through the web platform installer, like you can get Visual Studio 2010 Express. Here are the main things about it. It's easy to create websites with it. It's easy to customize, and it's easy to publish. The goal here is perhaps targeting maybe even a designer or someone who's not necessarily entrenched into coding intensively, but just wants to get a website up and running real quick. Perhaps a main thing to consider here is that Web Matrix would be for that casual coder. Very open source friendly, and once again to emphasize, easy to create, customize, and publish.